Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo here, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures on Tuesday, December 4th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. What do we have going on here? Well, crude prices are a little bit weaker here this morning. We're currently off about 87 cents, trading around 88.21. But let's do a recap here and look at what we saw yesterday. Crude prices really surging higher, getting follow through from late last week as the market continued higher, trading up here to around a high of 90.33. Which interesting, for those of you that follow the charts, take a look at it here. What we basically, I think we've got going on right now is a bit of a bull channel. And yesterday's peak up there to that 90.33 kind of can hit at the top of that trend line. Then we actually saw the market sell off quite a bit, and we got follow through with it here today. So a little bit of a bearish reversal. I think the market on a technical level right now, if this channel holds true, is probably going to target somewhere around the 86.50 area. So that's the number that I'm watching here. I don't think we're going to get it here today, but we certainly have a weaker tone in the market. What the fundamentals that are kind of pushing this thing lower? We've got a couple different things going on there. One, we've had some weak U.S. manufacturing data out. To me, not much of a surprise. As I believe, you look at our overall economic picture here, and the economy just kind of skids along here, the bottom of the barrel here. We get some upticks, and we get some downticks. Fiscal cliff, certainly on everyone's mind. It's looming, on the market. What effect is it going to have? I mean, I think if we do go over it, and it's looking like we could, I personally believe that we may see that happen. There's been a lot of different estimates out there, everything from ranging from it shouldn't be too bad all the way to shaving a full percentage point off the GDP. I personally believe that it'll have a very negative effect on the market, as it'll take the money out of people's hands that do create jobs. So puts the demand picture in question, which has already been in question. The demand side seems to be still very sluggish here. We're not even really getting any support out of the U.S. withdrawing non-essential personnel out of Syria. You'd think that might have a little positive support to the market, but really nothing. When I really look at that situation here, while it's unfortunate what we see taking place there, but it's not really threatening supply. And the supply side that it would be threatening, first off, would be the Brent, and I don't think we're going to see that really take shape here right now. I think it's too soon. That would be a direct threat to our national security and really draw us into the conflict that's going on over there. So I don't see that as being anything, that we have to watch it, but I don't think it is being overly supportive to the market. We do have the Brent actually trading a little bit lower here this morning. We're down about $1.25 at around 109.27. Nat gas weaker, complex weaker as well. We've got the RBOB off about 3.5 cents at around 269.16. The heat's weaker also, off about almost 3.5 cents at around 301.79. So certainly weaker tone there. The weaker dollar not helping very much. More of a risk-off type attitude. But give me a call. Got a lot of different strategies, a lot of volatility as one can see in the market, and volatility can really be your friend if you're positioned properly. So give me a call. We can discuss some strategies, a lot of different ideas, everything from calculated risk all the way through to unlimited risk strategies for you more aggressive traders. I'd be more than happy to help you out and share with you some different ideas. I've been doing this now for almost 17 years, so I've got a lot of different insight, and I can really help you, I think, with a lot of things. The number to the trade desk is listed there on the screen, or shoot me an email. Remember, we got API data coming out later today. We'll take a look at that. DOE tomorrow morning could be really pointing the market in the direction here for the rest of the week. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.